Make sure you black your metal out so you can scribe it and mark it right off the side of your lathe, right off the ways. This is going to be the indicator holder. So now we got it in the vise. We're gonna mill this piece down to the lines, and that'll be it. Then we're going to follow the rest into the end groove. That is to get the shape of the way. But we are not going to use an end mill in there. Only just to remove the top metal. Stick around. I think you guys will enjoy this. And hit that subscribe button. And if you want to support the channel any further, go ahead and hit that Patreon. And that's a surefire way that you can support the little channels that you believe in. There we go. Yeah, we're going to clean all that out. We're going to remove all that metal from there. First we're going to cut it out with the mill, and then we're going to follow it all out of there, and that's going to be for our ways. These are our clips for the boss, Joe. He gave me a little bit of work to do on the milling machine. I guess to show him what I could do. It's not something I'm making money on, I don't believe. Joe's not that kind of person, though. Normally, if you do something for Joe, he pays you. So, but it's not something I asked for. I did it because I wanted him to see what I could do, more so than anything. But now, we can right get ourselves up out of here and get down to this here shop, man, and yeah, see what we can do. Yeah, looking good with them chips, man. That's the only bad part of plastics, man. I see. But we'll get her. We'll get her. Alright. Looking good, looking good. So listen, if you're here so far and you're watching this, do me a favor. Go on over to go on over and hit that subscribe button right there, right? That subscribe button, man, that is the biggest support you can give to a channel. You hit that subscribe button, I am so grateful. Thank you, man. God bless you. Now we're going to clean them out. We're going to deburr the eyes. So when he puts the screw in there, there ain't debris in there to stop him. It just goes right in. And it just looks more professional. You know, I believe in that. Whether you're making money off a job or not, you should always give it your all. You should always be professional. Customer is always right. And even though he's my boss at this place, technically, he is still a man on the outside. And if he gives you some work, you got to respect him as a customer. There you go. Look at that. I believe that might be the last one. There might be one more, but I can't tell. I think that's the last one. And we're going to get another batch up in there. There we go. Another batch of 4. That might be 5. All right. Looking good. I'll tell you guys what, man. Come across a situation where you got to figure a cheap way out of something. If you got an R8 collet on your mill, it's very difficult to pay for the tooling that you need. So to avoid buying those collets, get an ER32 collet holder and get the ER32 collets. You can go right on AliExpress and order that stuff. You know, it may not be the very, very best, but it will work and it's cheap. And you just look at what you got and you can, yeah. It's all running true for me, so. Bring them on out. We're going to clean this batch on up. And I believe we're going to move on to the last batch. Look at that. So professional. I'm so very proud of you, Peter. All right, looking good. That's it. Thumbs up. That's the cue. Done. Done. 2 to go. Son. Yes, sir. Looking good. Looking good. And one more again, huh? One more again. Alright. What you think there? Alright, there you go. All done in clips, looking good. Nice and fresh and clean. So precious, so clean. Yep. And here we go with the new tool. This is our new Shellmill. Here is the R8 collet. It's the R8 adapter with the dog on it. And there's the Shellmill head. It'll interlock right into them dogs. Boom, that's it. Put that screw in the center, lock it down. Tighten that bad boy on up right there. That's right, looking good. Tighten it all the way up. Now remember, you're not going to be able to hold that and put some torque down on that. You're going to need just a little bit of torque on there so the vibration doesn't unscrew the screw. So what you want to do is that when you put that bad boy up inside the machine and you got the lock still in it, grab that Allen key and put some force onto that screw and lock it on down. Man, it looks so pretty, don't it? I've been waiting for one of these tools. I can really appreciate a tool like this. I don't know about you guys. There you go, look at that. Huh? I'm telling you, beautiful, man, beautiful. That's what we want, right there. Hey, so do me a favor, if you want to support the channel any further, you see the progress, you see the work put in, you see the strength, the determination and the drive. If you believe in the channel and you want to fight for the channel and you want to keep it going, go on over to Patreon and become a watcher. Or if you'd like to do some woodworking classes and come on down and check out the shop and stuff, you're more than welcome to do that too. Go ahead and join the tier on Patreon and submit your donation. That donation will go to buying aprons and things you need to get onto the woodworking lathe. wood turning lathe, excuse me. It's still woodworking. But we got to get your face mask. We got all kinds of fun stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I have. I really appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. Hit that subscribe, like, and share. And we're in there. Thanks for everything.
First time using one.
Alright, y'all, well, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Hey, if y'all got any ideas on the tooling that I should use, the numbers for them, any you guys got any ideas on some good inserts for this, hit me up, man. Put me in the right directions. Yeah, I want to make sure that I got good tooling for this. So, hey, hit me on up, man. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Atkins Fabrication and some. I'm signing off. I'm out.
Whatever is happening, it isn't the first time this sort of thing has been documented.